Hi, my name is Lucy. In Malawi, we have a lot of birds that are very beautiful. In this project, we are going to explain the following. Birds in Malawi, what purpose do all birds play? And the other group will be able to do the following. 1. Draw the birds around in Malawi. 2. Modeling all the birds. The following are some of the birds that are here in Malawi. Oliver-headed weaver, an owl, dove, robins, and eggs. Hi, my name is Bahari. I would like to explain about robins. These are beautiful birds. They are black with red chests. They migrate for lakes to everywhere in Malawi when crops are about to be harvested.
Hi, my name is Brenda. Love is playing role in environment. These birds help to eat the insects that destroy crops, and they also help in crop protection. When flying over the garden, they carry pollen grains from one pallet to another.
Hi, my name is Isaiah. This is an owl. It is a common bird in Malawi, but not a day unless when you are working in forest that has a tall tree. These birds are now because of this 360 degrees rotation head about wind. Yes, that has it used during night.
Hi, my name is Wasim. I would like to share some roles that are played by an owl. Firstly, an owl is a night hunter and common animal whose hunts a mouse. This helps to maintain the population of mouse, and it helps us people not to lose a lot of farm products. Secondly, in some way or other, it is believed that when an owl hoots, something bad is going to happen, so an owl acts like an alarm. This time around, let me explain birds called Oliver-headed weaver. This is very beautiful bird. It is well known its skills. When it comes to making a nest, most of the times they live in a group more than 10, and every family has one nest.
Hi, my name is Blessings. Weavers in Helper Nation, they are a woman plant rain. Season means it's about to mature. When season is over, these birds migrate to Lake Shore.
Hi, my name is Agnes. I would like to talk about gnats. This is a black bird with a white chest. They are common districts in Malawi. Its population is high in the town than in the villages because we like to eat in the beans. We call them kwangwala in local language.
Hi, my name is Vanessa. I would like to say hello that an ex-player. My friend is already said it like this bird to eat. In the beans they help us process of decomposition, and any animal hit by a car, they are first to visit the place.
My name is Wasim. We have also made Bell's house in our classroom. This house is made from carton, sticks, and string. This house be used to keep bells.